Hi, this is Walt Robertson on behalf of the 2020 Generosity Campaign for a Community Church. And with me is Karen Clark of Power, which is an organization that has been supported for many years by our mission outreach programs. Karen, could you please introduce yourself and tell us about the mission and Power, and also how has support from Community Church helped in 2020?
Yeah. Well, good morning. I'm happy to be talking to the members of Community Church because you have provided many years of support for Power. As you may know, Power works with women who are in recovery from the disease of addiction. We started 29 years ago as a residential program, the Powerhouse in Swissvale. And with our approach was that women needed a different approach to treatment than men because their lives are different. So that was so successful that in addition to residential, we have expanded and now offer outpatient services. We offer mentoring services. We work with women in the Allegheny Health System who are pregnant and addicted to opioids. And we have placed staff people in some of the domestic violence agencies around the county. Starting in what we hope is spring, we will open our detox rehab facility, which is the first step in for anyone getting into recovery. So that will allow us to provide a full continuum of care for women in recovery. Your church has supported us throughout all this in many ways, and one way was volunteering. There was a group that came for many years to the Powerhouse yard and worked in the early summer to clean it up, providing some of the most competent and informed gardening work that we've ever had there. If anyone is interested in doing that again, I would love to have them do that. And there are other volunteer opportunities if you want to get in touch with me about that. You have also provided financial support. You have purchased outdoor furniture for the women at the Powerhouse, food lockers for the women, and laptops for the women. All those were important. They are now even more important during a pandemic. And I think what the silver lining been for at least the quarantine is that we have learned to use virtual volunteering and virtual treatment services. And in fact, in outpatient, the no-show rate has actually dropped once women didn't have all those physical obstacles to getting into treatment, taking a couple buses, getting childcare and all that. So here we've found that the quarantine actually increased the number of women that we were able to reach. So that hard to underestimate how important that is.
That's really great to hear. In what ways can continued support help going into the new year?
One of the things the house would like to do now is replace all its bedroom furniture. We have 25 bedrooms, so it's a big job. They're going to start with the most urgent needs, which they tell me are 2 headboards and 4 dressers. And that's what we're coming to you to ask for help with. It is one of Power's values that we have an attractive place for our clients to live and do their therapy in. We all like to be in places that look nice. And we think that providing that nice looking, comfortable, attractive space for our clients reflects how we feel about them. And we're hoping that it will also reflect how they come to feel about themselves. So it is a practical request that we're making, but it is one that also has important value to Power's philosophies.
Sounds good, and I look forward to working with Power into the new year, and thanks so much for spending the time with us and explaining how things work.
Thank you, Walt, and thanks to all the members of the church.
Have a good day.
Thank you.